Hello and welcome back to For Real. I've just done a short Domino's comparison video. If you like to watch the difference between the pizzas here in Cambodia and the pizzas in your home country, hope you do like the little vlog. Also remember to like and subscribe. Okay, so we're having, you can see at the sign, Domino's. This is Domino's in Siem Reap, Cambodia. I've got a deal on. You can get a pizza for $3.99, so may as well give it a go. There's the deal there. Mega takeaway, eh? Let's see what it's like. Smells like Domino's. Looks like Domino's. See what kind of pizza they got. Hello. All usual. Lovely, I'll order some pizza. Okay, here they are. The lovely pizzas from Domino's. Turn them around. They come with these little packets, which are really pretty cool. Open them up. We've got in here, we've got tomato sauce and probably chili sauce. Yep. Tomato and chili, a nice little napkin. These are actually $9 each usually. So that's the size of my hand. So they're pretty small for $9, but they were special, so I got them for $4. This one here is the thin and crispy ham and pineapple, which looks quite nice. And this is the hand tossed pepperoni and cheese. So have a taste test and see how they compare. Okay, so we have the ham and pineapple, which looks quite nice. Thin and crispy. Here's the crisp. Oh yeah, pretty crispy. Nice. Oh, very crispy. Almost paper thin. Very nice. I think like the Australian pizzas, this is really thin. Almost like a puff pastry in some way. Okay. Quite nice. But it's $9 American dollars too, so that's probably around $10 Australian. So we get these pizzas much bigger in Australia for about, I think you get them for $4.99 Australian dollars. Let's try the hand tossed one. Pepperoni looks nice. Much thicker. Quite nice too. That is a good pizza. Very nice. Slightly thicker. Never really had a base that thick. That's they call it hand rolled or hand tossed pizza. It's really thick. Like it's almost a bit cakey in the middle. But quite nice. So those are the Cambodian Domino pizzas. They're quite expensive for what to get. That'd be full price, $9 American each. So that's quite expensive. And they're on sale, so I got them for $3.99 each. So $8. So I wouldn't buy full price. You can get much nicer pizzas for that price normally. But there you go. So went in Siem Reap for a pizza, quite nice. The hand tossed are quite thick, and thin and crispy is very thin. Okay, see you later.